Hello from BookUrCab. This is a quick demo on how to book a taxi or a car rental service using our web channel. With BookUrCab, a user can book just about any car rental service, from a taxi for local transfers, outstation trips, or regular day rentals with chauffeur or self-drive options. So first we log on to www.BookUrCab.in. For demonstration purposes, we've got a different site. So I'm going to log on to that. So as you can see, there are various options here: local hire, outstation, and day rentals. Let's say if you want to book a taxi for intercity local transfers, let's say if you want a taxi from Bangalore airport to say MG Road, Bangalore. So we select the city first, then we select the booking type. In our case, it's local transit. Select the date, let's say 12th March, and select time, let's say 8 a.m. in the morning. Enter the pickup location, Bangalore airport, and then select Bangalore airport from the suggestions below, and then enter the drop location, MG Road, and then select the suggestions, the right option from the option below. Right, and then immediately you can see on the right on the maps, it will show you the actual distance, the approximate duration of this trip. Let's say if you want a package service, like 4 hours package or an 8-hour package, then we will have to select the appropriate package from the booking type drop down. We can also customize the package. Just select custom package and then select the pickup and the return date and time. Right, for outstation trips, just click on outstation, select the city, select the date and the time. Right, and then you can enter multiple cities. Let's say from Bangalore, if you want to go to Mysore first, so just enter Mysore, M-Y-S-O-R-E, and then select Mysore from the drop down below. We can continue adding more destinations. Let's say if you want to proceed to Coorg after Mysore, so we just type Coorg here, and then select from suggestions below. We can just add more destinations like this. Let's say if you want to continue our trip to Hassan after Coorg, then we just type Hassan. Right, so like this we can add, you can just add multiple destinations. Once you add these destinations, on the right side you can see the visiting places, the duration and the distance of the trip. So let's go back to local hire. Let's go back to our first use case, that we want to go from Bangalore airport to MG Road. So city selected, booking type has to be local transit, date is selected, date and time, the pickup, the pickup and the drop location is also selected. Now we'll have to click on search cabs. Now on the second step, you can see the various cars, car types, and the operators. We can change the service provider by clicking on the drop down and selecting, and then we can select any operator that we want to go with. We can also see the rates, per kilometer rate. So let's say if we want to select Toyota, and then we want to select Hertz. Let's say Hertz is already selected, and then we click book here, and then we enter the passenger details. Okay, and then phone number 98694123445. So we enter the phone number of the passenger, we enter the email address of the passenger, simon@gmail.com, and then we enter the exact pickup location. In this case it's Bangalore airport. We can optionally select choose to create an account. Just click on create account, and if we enter a password, then an account will be created, but this is an optional step. So we just select terms and conditions. On the left side, there are payment options. We can choose to pay online now, or we can choose to pay later on by selecting COD option here, and then we click on confirm booking. So after a short while, you can see it shows up the e-ticket, which is the fourth step. We can print this or email this to ourselves or someone else. It shows you the operator logo here. The e-ticket has the operator's name, contact, and email address in case if you want to contact them for any queries. It also shows you the car that you have chosen. So instantly after the booking, the service provider gets notified through email, SMS, and an automated phone call to their booking hotline number. So if you are the service provider, then if you're Hertz, then you get notified through SMS and email and an automated call to this number, right? So that's about it. We're also launching a mobile software the next month, so users can book a taxi or a car rental service using their mobile phone after we launch. We're also partnering with international car rental networks so that foreign users can also book our services through our international networks. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can call to this number. I hope you liked it. Thank you and take care.